Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. I welcome you to English grade 8 video lessons. This is your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you're doing well and enjoying good health. So we are in our grade 8 and the unit number is unit 1 titled Role Model for Teachers. My dear learners, this is our lecture number 2B with the competency of vocabulary that we will explore, and also the topic is synonyms and antonyms. Now let's read our students learning outcome and break it down so that we can understand it better. Our students learning outcome is use thesaurus and dictionary to locate synonyms or antonyms and their use in writing. So we are talking about two different resources here, a dictionary and a thesaurus. I hope that you are familiar with thesaurus. You may not have used it till now, but now it's time to pick it up and use it. So now we will use our thesaurus and dictionary. We can access it, both of them, in both print form and in digital form or online form. We will locate synonyms or antonyms and we will be using them in our writing. So now let's begin our lecture. Here is a vertical linkage of our students learning outcome with the previous grade that you have already gone through. I hope that you remember most of them. Now, my dear learners, time to brainstorm and storm your brains. Think about it. What do you think of the words related to the word laugh? This is your brainstorming session, and this is the prompt. When you hear about the word or read the word laugh, what other words come in your mind? Pause the video, think about it, talk to your classmate, your fellow, talk to your teacher, note the words that comes in your mind, and then we can move forward. I hope that you have a lot of different words related to the word laugh. Good. Different words like laughter, grinning, chuckling, all these words are synonyms, and you may also think about opposite words of the word laugh. Okay, after this interesting brainstorming activity, my dear learners, here we have dictionaries, three different types of dictionaries, but before that, let's read the definition of a dictionary. So a dictionary is a book which lists words and tells you what they mean. So whenever we are having trouble finding any meaning of any specific word, we consult the dictionary. It can be consulted in printed form or in the online form. We have three different dictionaries here: Cambridge's Learner's Dictionary, Oxford's Dictionary of English, and the Merriam-Webster's Dictionary. There are a lot of others as well. It's also available in the pocket-sized version. So now, my dear learners, you know that what dictionaries are for and why do we consult them. Let's talk about thesaurus. You may have heard this word thesaurus. Now let's see what it has. So a thesaurus is basically a book which lists words like a dictionary and gives alternative words which mean the same thing or the words which mean the opposite. So just like a dictionary, thesaurus also holds so many different words, but the difference is with thesaurus, not only you're getting the meaning, but you're also getting the synonyms and the antonyms, which means the similar and the opposite words. So now, my dear learners, here is a real-time picture of a thesaurus page from Roget's 21st Century Thesaurus. Here you can see that the word easy is given, followed by the indication of the part of speech, and then all these are the synonyms, the similar words with the word easy. So let's say tolerant, permissive, accommodating, all these words are the synonyms of easy, and then we also have antonyms, the opposite words, and in the same place. So this is how a thesaurus page look like. When you're having trouble with finding any synonym or antonyms, you can consult the thesaurus. It can be consulted in the printed form just like this one, or you can also get in the online form, like for example thesaurus.com. We have a website here You can access it through your any device. Here you can see that when you type the word active in the search bar of the online thesaurus with thesaurus.com, you can find both the synonyms and antonyms in different tabs. With synonyms, you can see that these are the strongest matches of the synonyms, and also we have less matches, but they are also the synonyms. Now we can see that we can access the synonyms. Now let's talk about antonyms. If you see here, if you click here, you can find all the different antonyms of the word active. It's very easy. So now let's talk about word relationships, how words have different relationships with each other. If you talk about synonym, we have its definition. It's a word having the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. So this is how these two words are related. One word can have a similar meaning or nearly similar meaning of another word. So one word can be, if one word is about, for example, easy, then you can also find similar words to the word easy. So this is how these words are related or having a relationship. Let's take, for example, this word, these words happy, joyful, and elated. All these words are having similar meaning. If you know about the word happy, if you understand it, then you can say that I know two synonyms of happy. They are joyful and elated, and vice versa. If you know the word joyful, you can say that I know synonyms like happy and elated. So this is how the relationships of the word works. Now let's talk about synonyms. They are the two words with the opposite meanings. For example, cold and hot are antonyms. So for antonyms, we know that it has a opposite meaning of any word. Just as these two words, cold and hot, they are opposite to each other, so we can say that they are antonyms. The antonym of cold is hot. The antonym of hot is cold. Here we have some pictures for you. Lazy, active, absent, present, all these are antonyms. Now my dear learners, let's see these two things parallel. Synonym can help you deepen your knowledge of words by similar association, and antonyms can help you strengthen your knowledge of words by opposite association. So why do we need to use why do we need to learn and use synonyms or antonyms? We need it because we want to strengthen our vocabulary, we want to strengthen our understanding and deepen our understanding. With this one, we make similar associations, and with antonyms, we made opposite associations. Okay, now moving forward, we have a classroom activity for you. This is very interesting. You will write synonyms and antonyms of the given words, use them in your sentences. The word bank is given at the top, at the bottom. Here we have words, and you can put the correct word in the correct box. This will be your activity. Now my dear learners, moving forward, we have an interesting simulation video for you for a better understanding of synonyms and antonyms. Here we have a worksheet for you, my dear learners, my fellow teachers. It can be distributed among the students, and it says choose whether each pair of words are synonyms or antonyms. We have two pairs, two words. You have to choose it. You have to think about it whether they are antonyms or having a relationship like synonyms. My dear learners, for your homework, we have from page 5, question B, consult a thesaurus and find out the synonyms of the following words. You can consult the thesaurus in both the digital form and in the print form. Now at the end, we would like to introduce some resources for you. They are available in the description of the video. We have worksheet, presentation, a lesson plan, a question bank, and also a skill sheet available. I hope that you have great time learning about locating synonyms and antonyms using a dictionary or a thesaurus. Until the next lecture, this is your instructor Zia Hamid signing off. Allah Hafiz.